Hi all, welcome to another video of 5 tips and tricks in MS Excel. This is a second video of text function in MS Excel. Tip number 1, LEN function. LEN function returns the length of the text in a cell. So here I am having some text here and we apply the LEN function like this, equal to LEN, and inside the bracket you give that cell reference and bracket close. You can see 11 is the length of this text. You have to keep in mind that the LEN function will also count the space between the text. Tip number 2, concatenate. This function can be used to join multiple text in different cells. Here I am having different text in different cells. So we use the concatenate like this, equal to concatenate, and inside the bracket you have to give the cell numbers in comma. So I am giving 3 cell numbers and bracket close, enter. As you can see, it concatenate the values. It also works for numbers. If you want to add space between each word, you have to give space like this. After each cell reference, give an additional space in between those values. So like this, after comma, then space in between the cells. So you can get a space like this. Number 3, upper, lower and proper. These functions can be used to change the case of strings. I'm having some text here and the upper, lower and propers are shown here. As the name states, upper function will convert all the text into caps and lower convert all the text into small letters, and the proper will convert each word's first letter to caps and others are small. So we apply like this, equal to upper, and inside the bracket you have to give the address. So it goes like this, and same as for lower and proper. Number 4, text function. Text function is used to format the cell into text format. Here I am having some values which is in numbers, and the format is number format, and I want to use these numbers and convert into a different text. So we use the text function. Here you can see if I am changing this value to some other value, it automatically changes in the text. So for this we type like this, equal to, before the text we use the text we want to add, the rate is, so it comes like this, and ampersand and text inside the bracket you give the reference. This is C5 cell, so C5 comma, then you have to give the format. So here it is a number, so I am giving format as 0. So I am getting like this, and like this way I can use in different way. Typing like 50%, it automatically changes here. This can also type like this, equal to, and inside double quotes you give the message, and then ampersand text and the reference comma 100%. I need the percentage of this value, so it comes like this. And tip number 5, trim and clean. These function can be used to remove extra spaces and line breaks. Here you can see I'm having some text. In this text I'm having extra spaces in between the words. So trim function will remove these extra spaces. We apply like this, equal to trim, inside the bracket you give the cell reference and it removes the extra spaces. But clean function removes the extra line breaks. It does not remove the extra spaces. So you can see here I'm having some extra spaces and there is a line break here. So trim function removes all that extra spaces and it clears, but the clean function only removes the line break. It does not remove the extra space between them. So it works like this. Clean function we apply like equal to clean, inside the bracket you give the text and bracket close. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to support me, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.